Chapter 7 Mensuration Exercise 7.2 Second question. A cylindrical glass with diameter 20 cm has water to a height of 9 cm. A small cylindrical metal of radius 5 cm and height 4 cm is immersed completely. Calculate the rise of the water in the glass. So this is the glass with water up to the height of 9 cm and it has got a diameter of 20 cm. So into this glass of water, we have to immerse another cylindrical solid of height 4 cm and radius to be 5 cm. So after immersing that, the water level here will increase. Water level will rise, right? So it will come somewhere around here, the water level. So what we have to find is the increase in height of the water level. So what actually happens is that when we immerse this solid into the water, the volume of this solid metal piece what we are immersing, the cylindrical metal piece what we are immersing will be added to the volume of the water. So volume of water plus volume of this metal piece will increase the total volume. So as the total volume increases, the height of water level also increases. So there is an indirect method to find the value what we have to find, that is the increase in the water level, right? There is an indirect method. For that, first we have to find the volume of this small metal piece. After that, we have to assume that the height is what we have to find as the variable. So height we have to have it as h, and the radius we have to take it to be equal to the radius of the cylindrical vessel what we have here. For this, the radius is 10 meter because the diameter is 20 meter, so the radius is 10 meter. So after finding the volume of this metal piece, we have to assume that its radius is 10 centimeter and we have to take this height to be h, and then we have to find the height value by equating it to the volume what we have found, so that indirectly we can find the increase in height. I'll show you how we can do that. So first we have to find the volume of this cylindrical metal piece. So volume of this cylinder is equal to, volume is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 5 square into 4, which is equal to 314.28. You can also approximate it to 314.29 because we have the value to be 314.285. So as we have 5 there, we can approximate it to 314.29 also. Now we have got the volume. Volume we have got. Now we have to equate this volume with the formula with the radius to be changed as the radius of the glass we have there. Now volume V is equal to 314.29. This volume is pi r square h is equal to 4.29. Now is the trick. Now this h is what we have to find. Increase in the water level, right? Increase in the height of the water level. So this r, for as of now, we have to assume it to be 10 meter. So pi 10 square into h is equal to 31.29. So h is equal to 314.29 divided by 10 square is 100 into 22 by 7. Denominator of denominator will become the numerator. This is equal to 1.00 centimeter. So the increase in height of the water level is 1 centimeter.